Here we have 30 dumb drivers. Before we continue, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. A speeding car gets launched off a roundabout. Two cars collide and are sent up a hill.
Given listed status this year. That made sense. More than 1,000 locations were granted protection by Historic England. Its chief executive is Duncan Wilson.
This minivan is driving on the wrong side of the road. A white truck T-bones another truck. A car rolls into a parked car. A car is on the wrong side of the street at an intersection. A car not paying attention causes a nasty rear-end accident. This guy is driving with a cat chilling on his dash. A makeshift monster truck gets wrecked by a pile of trash. This white car is not only in the wrong lane, but also blows a red light. A car skates past a toll and instantly gets hit by a mixing truck. This white car struggles to get into a parking space. Someone tries to show off by speeding and instantly wrecks. Another car misses their exit and nearly wrecks trying to get back on. A motorcycle trying to merge gets hit by a semi. The driver filming nearly collides with someone taking a left. A driver not paying attention rams into a semi. A car stops in the middle of the highway and causes multiple accidents. People are chilling in their RV when it gets into a wreck. A car missed its exit and nearly gets hit by a semi when they try to correct. A truck taking a left gets hit by oncoming traffic. This pedestrian is centimeters away from getting hit by a car. This guy gets hit by a sliding van door. This driver is manually wiping his windshield. This driver makes it look like he's being reckless before revealing he's being towed. This car passes in front of a semi and then slams on their brakes. This cyclist gets into a head-on collision with someone going the wrong way. A speeding car ends up in a head-on collision. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to never miss our videos. Watch the videos on screen now.